Okay, we're just waiting for the guys to jump on the meeting again. Right, we're admitting Lorato. Exciting stuff. Exciting stuff, exciting stuff. Right, are we back?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Right, let's keep going. Okay, so we've now analyzed the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. We're now going to drop down to the 4 hour and quickly have a look at a 4 hour, and then we'll go to the 1 hour. So what is the 4 hour showing us? Before I understand where it's going, I try and understand, is there a channel? Is there a pattern? Is there something going on with price? And higher high, higher high, higher high, I try and understand what is price doing. Is price moving in a particular direction? Is it not moving anywhere? Is it going where? So I start off generally and I draw lines. I try and draw lines so that I can understand what is price doing. And once I've got lines that make sense to me, for example, those sort of lines like that. So higher highs. Can you see there's a higher high?
Yes.
Higher low. Sorry, higher low. So that's a low, peak formation low. There's a new
Yes.
formation low. High, high, higher high, higher highs, higher highs. What is price done now? Right now, we've got lower highs happening. And the main reason for that is because of the W that's been formed. So the W has been formed, and that's telling me that price W retraced and going to go up. So let's quickly have a look at where are the levels? Where are we in this level? If that is a W, down, up, down, then this is level 1. That is level 2. Level 3, if I look at that area of confluence, level 3 might be up there. So we're trying to understand the levels, right?
Yes.
So if this is the big W, but within this big W is a small W, like that, we should have entered there. And we
Now.
made a nice profit today. So can you see there's 1, 2 pushes? We're waiting for the third push. But as you can see, price retraces. Look at this area here. Price went up, price dropped. Opened, but first price went down to there before it pushed up. Why? Because it wanted to knock the stop losses out. Knock everybody out, chunk, and then it pushed and pushed. Now we've got people that want to buy. We want to buy, but we got to wait for the right time. So if we were trading 4-hour charts, which we're not, we're trading lower time frames. But we understand that price closed, dropped, down to there, came back. Opened there, price dropped down to there. And then 1 push, 2 push, 3 push to there. There is an insecure little upside down doji. It closed, price dropped. So price could drop or price could go up. But these pushes here, they're selling. They're closing these trades. That's why you've got the red. One of two things are going to happen. If price breaks that area there, we're definitely buying. We definitely buy it because we know
Okay.
price is going to level 3.
It has to go to level 3.
It's going to level 3, yes. If
it breaks.
If it breaks here, it's going to level 3.
Okay.
Okay. Right, let's go to our 1 hour. Okay. So now we're going to the 1 hour chart. Before I can do the 1 hour chart, I go to changing my time zones. Properties, time zone, select my time zone, put it on black, put it on a solid color, make it thick enough, and say, okay. So what is the line now? It's the difference on the days. Because on the 1 hour chart, I want to see what's happening on a weekly, what's happening on the daily, where are we? Okay.
Yes.
So if I open this, I can securely tell you that that is Monday. I can tell you that that is Tuesday. I can tell you that that's Wednesday. Thursday. And Friday. This is weekend. Weekend. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Right. Monday, Tuesday, today's Wednesday. Right. So we understand, we're looking at the chart for last week and this week. Right. So the first thing that I go and do is I go and I create a horizontal way and I create the high of a Monday. And the low of a Monday. I create the high of a Tuesday. See how it hit the low of the Monday?
Yes.
The high of the Wednesday. The low of the Wednesday. Oh, almost hit the high of the low of Wednesday was there. But okay. Oh, let's just do that. That was the high. That was the low. That was the low. All right, so what am I doing? What am I doing? I've gone and I've drawn the whole of last week and the whole of this week's lows and highs.
Yes.
I see it, I have to touch it. If I look at Monday's high, that was Monday's high. Monday's high. Price hasn't got there yet on gold. Wednesday had a high. Price hasn't touched there yet. But if I go and have a look at Tuesday,
doesn't it touch?
It was close, it was close, it was close. So this is a very high confidence area, Tuesday. So I turn it into a dotted. If I go and have a look at Tuesday's high, look at Wednesday's openings, was also there. look at today, where we are. Look at where we are today. Price is playing with it. Can you see that? So Tuesday's high, price is playing with it. It might not break it. If it breaks it, it will drop down. Right. So I'm going to mark that one also as a dotted because it's important. So now if I go and have a look at Wednesday and Thursday, that was just the accumulation phase between the close of the New York and the open of the Asian.
Yeah.
Right. So it wasn't an area of confluence. Look at Monday's low. Isn't it almost a Tuesday low?
Yeah.
Can you see it's a Friday high?
Definitely.
Can you see our price touched there? Up, touched, came back. So this is also a bit of a resistance area, right? If we go and have a look at Monday, price came down, went up, came down, it touched twice there. We can't see further into the week yet because price is high up there. But if I look left, was it an area? Well, it wasn't really an area going left, and we can't see further there. But look at this. Look at this. Thursday, touch, touch, touch. The price broke it on Friday. And you know what that was? That was NFP.
Yes.
That was the NFP. But look here. Thursday's low, Thursday's low, Thursday's low. So this is also a candle, an area that we need to look at because it's touched a few times.
Correct.
Right. So can you see what I've done? I've gone now and I've plotted these lines so I can see what is price doing. Where is there an area? I'm telling you now, price is not going to break that. Because we know from the bigger chart, bigger time frames, we know that price is going up. This is what area? It's our Asian range.
Okay. How many
Right.
hours?
Can you see the bottom of yeah, here's a time frame. Can you see there's a bottom, there's a time frame?
Yeah, I do see it now.
Okay, so if I do that, can you see these times?
Yes.
If I go to 8, that's my 8 hour. That's where my 8 hours are going to end. So that's basically where the Asian range is going to close.
I calculated the candles, and then I could tell that it's that range of the Asians.
Yes. So that is the Asian range. So what did price do? Price made a high, opening high of the day, closing low of the day. Price is maybe going to go down to here because it's a confluence area. We know price has hit there a few times. So price might come down, touch there, and go up. We know that that's also an area of confluence because that was yesterday's high. So we're not there yet in terms of the close of the Asian session to be able to trade the London session. But we have to look, is it going to drop down to there and then jump up? Or is it going to do a stop hunt to there and drop down? We wait for the candles to close out of the Asian session. Okay, let me quickly go back to last week, just so that you can get an idea of what did price do. Okay, Lerato?
Sure.
Okay. I'm now looking at the Asian range and what happened on Monday last week. Right. Can you remember the patterns that I showed you yesterday? type 1, type 2, and type 3. So pattern for gold. So the pattern for gold for Monday last week was the same pattern. It didn't break the low. It dropped down, created a stop hunt there, and then dropped all the way down, creating the lowest place for the day. Can you see? Broke the Asian range, it didn't break the Asian range. So it's the type 2. Remember, type 1, let me just quickly get a brush. Type 1 is this. Remember.
Oh, yeah.
Type 2 is to the high of the day, turn, touch again, and drop. Type 3 is the 50%. Remember, type 3 is the 50%. You need to understand the patterns that the chart is making or that price is making on that particular day. Okay, so can you see, you need to identify where are you in the pattern for the day. So that is the 3 chart types, and it's in my book. You'll see it. The 3. Remember, I showed you yesterday in the Zoom yesterday.
Yes.
I showed you.
Yeah.
Maybe I must quickly just do that again, just so that I can remind you. Give me a few seconds. I'm just opening it quickly. Oh yeah, I've got it. I'm looking at the. Right, so this is my book.
The Trader's Bible.
Right, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this clearly. Remember, here's the London pattern. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right. So when we're looking at it now, we have type 1, which remember I was showing you is above. Type 2, where it touches the high of the day in terms of the Asian session. And we have today, the last week Mondays, where it came down, created the M on the 50-50 line. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
See this one? Down, up, and dropped 3. So if we looked at that, and we now go and look at the live chart, which one is it? This is type 3, right?
Yes.
This is type 3 because it's dropped down to the bottom, up, up, dropped all the way. So this is gold last week, Monday, Lerato. Market maker was involved. Where do you open your trade? You open your trade at the close of the candle there. Low of the day, because price is breaking it. Look at that, all the way down. Okay.
Like a profit.
Like a profits. Right, so let's have a look at Tuesday quickly. I see we've got a new participant here. Heinz Zucker. Are you there, Heinz? Can't hear you, buddy. You need to put in a mic. Anyway, okay. So let's have a look at Tuesday. Tuesday, we're looking at the 8 hours. How do we mark it? We're looking at the bottom time frame, and we're saying that 8 o'clock was there. So if I'm marking it, that's my first Asian range.
Yes.
There's my Asian range. And this is the 1 hour. I'm showing you that price created a high, dropped all the way down to the confluence area. Remember, yesterday or the Monday's low, price went down and touched it, only to push all the way up. Price touched there, price touched there, price touched there. Remember, we've got this line as a dotted line. Look there, today. See why we mark it.
Mm.
Right. So Tuesday's pattern was the drop down, the stop hunt down before it pushed up. What did I do? That's a no. Right. We're going to have a look at the Asian session for Wednesday. That was the 8th candle. Right. So what happened? Price did a stop hunt. It dropped down to the middle and then knocked everybody out to create a high.
Mm.
Dropped all the way down. Type 3, down, created a stop hunt, dropped all the way down to a confluence area. Can you see?
Yes.
Right, here's the Asian session. High of the day played up, down, up, down. This was NFP. Pushed up,
Yes.
dropped all the way down, created a lower low, and then pushed all the way back up again to create to the confluence area. See, that dotted line is the confluence area.
Yes.
Weekend. Asian session Monday. High, top hunt, dropped all the way down, created the low. So if you basically, the way I was explaining it to you, if you're going to trade it and you're going to enter your trade there, look how many pips you're going to make. It's a 62% drop. So it's a whole big drop all the way down. Then price creates a W. And what does price do? Push all the way up again. Remember we talked about the levels?
Yes. Level 1.
Right. So where's level 1? Is that level 1? Is that possibly level 2?
Oh, yes.
So look here, price is breaking this, but we're still in the Asian session.
Mm.
We're still in the Asian session. So we're not taking the trade. But this is level 1. This is level 2. Remember we showed you when we went to the higher time frames. Price is going to drop a little bit below here and then shoot up because we need to create a level 3 up here.
Definitely.
So when we do an analysis of the chart, we look at the 1 hour to understand where are we in the bigger scheme of things. And we're looking at where are we in the time frame. So if this is the W, that's level 1, that's level 2, we're looking for level 3 up there in terms of where gold is. If we now analyze on a 15-minute chart, we're trying to have a look at what is price doing. So on Monday, stop hunt high, dropped all the way down. Can you see the W? Down, touch 1, touch 2, up, retrace a little bit, and then price pushed up.
Yes.
To the high. That was Monday. Pushed up, consolidation. Can you see that's a consolidation area?
Yeah.
Okay, I see on Tuesday we didn't put a Asian quickly do Tuesdays. It was Tuesday's Asian session. Tuesday's Asian session was the type 3. It didn't break the Asian high, didn't break the low. It came within, and then where's the stop hand? Ching. There's the stop hand. Drop down, and what did price do? Everybody thinks sell, sell, sell. So they're trying to create sellers here, and then they push you up to there.
And they go all the way on.
All the way up to level 2. Today, look at price is not breaking that. It's on a confluence area. Remember, we've made it dotted. Because of that area there, that area there. It's there now. Okay, so we have to understand where are we in the levels, where are we in the market maker's cycle. So if I go and have a look at last week's cycle, you would have entered there because there was your M. Can you see the M?
Yep.
M. Down, up, down, W. Consolidate, push, consolidate, stop point, push, drop, railroad. There's the railroad on Tuesday.
Yes.
Wednesday, push, retrace, push, M, consolidate, drop. Thursday, stop hunt, push up, down, up, drop. See the M?
Yeah.
Dropped. Price consolidated here quite a lot. Price is in consolidation right now. Can we see that? Price was in consolidation these 2 days. This was on Friday and Monday. Friday was NFP. Come Monday, stop hunt high, dropped all the way down, pushed up again. W, down, up, consolidation, push 1, push 2, push 3. We're now on level 2 or 1 and 1. Look at this one. This yesterday was a perfect one. Drop down, stop hunt low, pushed all the way up, created level 3. Remember, we talked about this confluence area. We marked it off. We've marked it off.
Yes.
This is today's, let's mark it nicely, Asian high, Asian low, confluence area. Price will now do what? Price will do one of 2 things. Price will either stop hunt down, create an M, and push up. Why are we saying that? Why do we say that? We say that because we know we're on level 2, looking for level 3.
Level 3.
We know we're on level 2 now.
Yeah.
1, 2. We know we're on level 3. We're going to level 3.
Lerato better be ready.
Yeah.
With her gold.
But I still need, I'm not going to trade today because I still need to sort out the migration.
Yeah, we'll sort it out for you now. Look, remember now, this could be a type 3, eh? Where it does this. It's not to say it's going to do this and create a stop hunt low. It could be a type 2. I mean, this is a type 1. This is a type 3. Type 2. Type 3.
Isn't it type 3, 50%?
3 is the 50%.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Out of curiosity, what are those E's and the N's on your graph?
Just give me a sec. Let me just remove this.
Okay.
What are the what?
The E's and N's, the yellow and the blue.
Oh, this is on investing.com. And investing.com,
Oh, okay.
it auto maps economic indicators, news,
okay.
news events, or economic indicators.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
It auto puts that in on investing.com. So some people like TradingView. I like investing.com. It's just so much easier for me to be able to do. Sorry. It's just so much easier for me to be able to do.
Yeah.
So I'm just looking now. Dunk, 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 retrace, stop and drop. Price is going to go up based on that.
It's
Okay,
looking
are there
for
any-
level 3.
Yeah, we're going to level 3. We're definitely going to level 3. But anything's happened. Anything's possible. The market makers can choose whichever way they want to go. Are there any questions? Anything else you guys want to know? All clear, Lerato?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Okay, did it help? Does it help you guys?
Very helpful. In fact, I feel like I still need to go through this. I don't know how are you able to share the recording with us?
Well, I've been recording, so I'm hoping that it's there, and it's, you know, when we put it out, I'll put it onto Telegram again, like I did yesterday, and then you guys can watch it again.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
definitely. That's
awesome.
what I did
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah, both
It's
today's and yesterday's. I think they were very informative.
Okay.
And
Very much.
what I'll do is I'll start trading next week. So I go through the videos again for the weekend.
Okay. So there's 2 videos for today. This is the second video. I'll put both of them onto our Telegram group because it doesn't fit onto WhatsApp. It's just too big.
Yeah.
Put it onto the Telegram
Okay,
group.
that's fine.
I'll put it onto the Telegram group, and then we'll take it from there.
Awesome.
Have an awesome day. May the pips be with you guys.
Thank you so
All right.
much.
Okay. Cheers, man. Have a good day.
Have a great day
Alan.
as well. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Lerato. Take care and bye.
Goodbye.